Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope inshallah everyone is doing well. Today inshallah we learn about the past tense in Arabic context. In previous lesson we learn about the present tense and also the plural present tense. But today we learn just past tense. Okay, so in today's lesson we now identify the past tense. Like first of all we identify the past tense form in Arabic context. Second one, we recognize the pattern of past tense, like sometime we use past tense for the hidden person, sometime we use for the past tense for the present person, and sometime we use past tense for the singular speaker or plural speaker. Okay, third one we have like understand the prefixes attached to past tense verb, and fourth one, in this lesson, inshallah, we translate simple past tense, inshallah. Okay, fifth one, we use past tense verb from the Quran. Like, inshallah, uh, uh, we learn some example from the Holy Quran. So at the end, inshallah, you will be able to know the past tense, inshallah. Okay, okay. We have some example from the Holy Quran. So first one like alima. What is the meaning of alima? Alima mean like alima is ilm. Ilm mean like knowledge. So mean he knew. Okay, knew we use like for third person. Okay. Second one we have like kataba. Kataba mean like written the something. So mean he wrote. Okay. Qara'a. Qara'a mean like reading the book or etc. So he read. Abada, abad, it's derived from like worship. So how we learn and how we translate abada, abada mean like he worship. Zahaba, zahaba mean like he gone. Sometime we use at the start of past tense sometime wow. So fa we use for then and so, and wow we use for and like wow it's we have like from conjunction. Okay, is when summa them allazi like the one who like also we learn about the allazi allazani allazina, it's a relative pronoun. Okay, and ma we use for not. So before our like we use these prefix fa, wow, is, summa, allazi, ma. So right now we have some example from the Holy Quran, and like look one first one we have faqala inni saqim. Faqala mean like fa we use before past tense, so its meaning mean like then. Okay, so qala he said inni saqim, indeed I am ill, may bimar hu. Fa khalaqa, then. Okay, we use for then. Khalaqa, then he like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created human beings min al ma'i, from a water. Okay, next one fakazzaba wa asa, then he denied and disobeyed. Okay, next one fa'amana lahu Lut, then Lut believed him. Wa khalaqa kulla shay, and he created everything. Okay, in past. Wa qala Allahu, and Allah said. Wow we use for conjunction like huruf atifa, and Allah said in past وَجَعَلَ الظُّلُمَاتِ وَالنُّورِ, and wow we use for and. Okay, so and he made. Okay, not make. If we use make, so then automatically it's convert to present tense. So this sentence we have in past method, so that's why we learn made. Okay, he made the darkness and the light. Okay, anzal al kitab mean Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala send down the book. So by the name of Allah, we use like we replace the name of Allah and put it there he. Okay, so he sent down the book. Next one we have is qala. Is we use for when. When mean like jab in Urdu language. So is qala rabbuka lil malaikati. When your Lord said to the angels. And last example we have is awhayna ila ummika, when we revealed to your mother. Okay, revealed. Okay, at the end we put it ed. So ed also in English is the sign of past tense. So we use is before past tense, and also awhayna we use for past tense, and it's we awhayna we have in plural singular form. Okay, like we revealed to your mother in the past. Okay, thank you very much for the watching this video. If you have any question, if you feel any difficulties in this language, sorry, in this lesson, so you can comment to me directly in comment box. So inshallah, I will give you answer about the past tense. Okay, thank you very much. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.